So hello guys, welcome back to today's new video. In this video I'm going to tell you the best possible expected cutoff for Telangana State 85% state quota counseling, because as many of the students are constantly messaging me. So here is the video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel for all the authentic information regarding Telangana counseling. First of all, I would like to clear you everything that कई कट ऑफ जो हम आपको प्रेडिक्ट करके बताते हैं उसमें थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस आते हैं, लाइक 2 से 3 नंबर 4 नंबर का, तो बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाते हैं। सर आपने तो कुछ और बोला था, यहाँ कुछ और है। देखो ये प्रेडिक्शन होता है, अब कितना परसेंट सही है वो फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट जब तक आपके पास ऑफिशियल डाटा नहीं आएगा तब तक आप नहीं बता सकते, लेकिन जब वो आता है तो उसके बाद हम आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। तो जो फाइनल जो प्रोविजनल मेरिट लिस्ट आई है उसके बेसिस में मैं आपको जो आपकी रैंक है और जो आपकी जो कट ऑफ है वो आपको मैं इस वीडियो के अंदर बताने वाला हूँ। ओनली फॉर गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस इन तेलंगाना, 85% स्टेट कोटा, कोई कैटेगरी बी की सीट के बारे में बात नहीं करूँगा। सो सिर्फ ओनली गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, प्राइवेट कॉलेज के लिए नहीं बोल रहा मैं। सो फॉर OC कैटेगरी rank will be around 3400 something, and the marks will be around 415 to 420 is the expected marks you need to require to get medical college in government medical colleges. For BCE category, rank will be around 8179 and marks will be around 350 to 360. For BCB category, rank will be around 4284 and marks will be around 400 to 410. And I would like to introduce myself. I am Pathan Farman Khan, pre-final year MBBS student from Government Medical College, Vanaparthi, Telangana. So those students who need any query, you can personally contact me on my Instagram handle or my Telegram channel. Link is in the description, and I will definitely help you in each way as I could. So for BCC category, rank will be around 7096 and marks will be around 365 to 370. For BCD category, rank will be around 3993 and marks will be around 415 to 420. For BCE category, rank will be around 4474 and marks will be around 405 to 408. In SC category, there are 3 types of category. Like in SC1, almost all majority students will get the college in government seat because very less students are there in SC1 category. For SC2 category, marks will be around 360 to get any medical college, government medical college in Telangana. For SC3 category, marks will be around 375 to 380. And for ST category, rank will be around 6600 and marks will be around 380 to 385. So this is the expected cutoff, and I would like to tell you that SC category is the most confusing category to get the best possible prediction for counseling and updates, because very discrepancies है। आपको फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट के बाद ही आप फाइनली आप बता पाओगे, कंक्लूड कर पाओगे आपको कॉलेज मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा। So that's all about the video, and if you have any query or you can personally contact me or my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. I will definitely help you, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and thank you. All the best.